Have you ever had a creative idea that just seemed to flow effortlessly? That moment where everything clicks and you feel like you are truly in tune with yourself? That is because creativity is not just about making something new, it's about discovering who you really are. When we allow ourselves to express our unique perspectives and ideas, we are giving ourselves the opportunity to explore our inner selves in a way that nothing else can. Creativity is an act of self-discovery. It is through the process of creating that we are able to uncover our strengths, weaknesses, passions, and fears. Every stroke of the brush, every word written, every note played reveals a part of ourselves that we may not have been fully aware of before. So the next time you're feeling stuck or uninspired, remember that the creative journey is not just about the end result. It's about the path you take to get there. Embrace the process, trust yourself, and allow your creativity to guide you on a journey of self-discovery like no other. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and insights on the creative journey.